10,197 drones light up the night sky, controlled by a single computer. This isn't science fiction. This is China's record-shattering drone technology that's leaving the world speechless. On September 26, 2024, China shattered 2 Guinness World Records at Shenzhen Bay Park with an unprecedented display of over 10,000 drones lighting up the night sky. This spectacular achievement set new benchmarks for both the largest number of drones flying simultaneously and the largest aerial image created by drones, all controlled from a single computer system. The week-long event, themed City of Sky, Maybe Shenzhen, showcased intricate patterns and cultural landmarks, with the centerpiece Sky City display depicting iconic elements of Shenzhen's architecture and heritage. These environmentally friendly drone shows have effectively replaced traditional fireworks, demonstrating China's commitment to technological innovation and environmental consciousness. At the forefront of this drone revolution stands DJI, Dajiang Innovations Science and Technology Co., Limited. Founded in 2006 by Frank Wang in Shenzhen, DJI has achieved unprecedented market dominance, controlling 70% of the global consumer drone market, with annual revenue exceeding $3.8 billion. Their success stems from a combination of technological innovation and competitive pricing. The company's flagship products showcase their technological superiority. The Phantom 4 Pro, released in 2016, features 4K video recording and 3-axis gimbal stabilization. DJI's drones serve multiple professional purposes, from recording high-end movies in cinema DNG and Apple ProRes formats to inspecting power lines and bridges without human risk. Price comparison data from CSIS reveals a striking competitive advantage. While US-made drones like the Reaper cost $16 million and the Predator $4 million, Chinese alternatives such as the CH-4 and Winglung 2 are priced between $1 to $2 million. This dramatic price difference has revolutionized the global drone market. Sam Schmitz, mechanical engineering lead at Neuralink, explains China's manufacturing advantage. "I've been to the DJI factory many times. China's industrial base is so deep that every component ends up being a fraction of the cost. This factory made almost everything, and it's surrounded by thousands of factories that make everything else." Beyond DJI, other Chinese companies are pushing drone technology boundaries. Autel Robotics, founded in 2014, pioneered 8K recording in consumer drones with their Evio 2 series. Their drones feature 360-degree obstacle avoidance and extended flight times exceeding 40 minutes. Unique International, established in 1999, has made significant strides through collaboration with Intel RealSense technology, developing advanced obstacle detection systems. Their drones feature innovative safety measures, including multi-motor redundancy that allows continued operation even if one motor fails. EHang represents China's push into urban air mobility. Their EHang 216, a passenger-grade AAV, autonomous aerial vehicle, can transport 2 passengers at speeds up to 81 miles per hour. With annual revenue of $21.93 million, EHang received recognition as a technology pioneer by the World Economic Forum. The company developed the world's first passenger-grade AAV in 2016 with the EHang 184. JOUAV, founded in 2010, specializes in industrial-grade UAVs with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Their drones integrate AI for data processing and autonomous mission planning, serving sectors from infrastructure inspection to environmental monitoring. Market dominance data from Cypre shows China's commanding position. Chinese manufacturers delivered 282 combat drones to 17 countries in the past decade, while the US exported only 12 combat drones during the same period. China's flexible payment terms, including resource bartering arrangements, have further expanded their market reach. Zhou Chenming, a Beijing-based analyst, notes, "Chinese companies realize that those countries in North Africa are not rich and allowed them not to pay cash but by installment, sometimes even to barter drones for local natural resources like minerals." The global impact of China's drone dominance has prompted significant responses from Western nations. The U.S. House of Representatives recently passed legislation to ban DJI drones from the American market, where the drone industry is currently valued at $6 billion. DJI responded forcefully to this move, stating, "The actions taken against DJI suggest protectionism and undermine the principles of fair competition and an open market." China's technological advancement continues at a remarkable pace. Autel Robotics, an aviation reporter at Jane's, observes, "Development of this UAV has gone from concept stage to a potential induction in the span of just 6 years." This rapid development cycle demonstrates China's ability to quickly mature drone platforms from concept to deployment. The Switzerland-based International Institute for Management Development highlights China's growing influence in the tech sector. Their China Company Transformation Indicator shows internet technology firms dominating China's tech industry, with companies like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent ranked among the top 5. Combat applications have further demonstrated Chinese drone capabilities. From Saudi Arabia to Myanmar and Iraq to Ethiopia, governments worldwide are deploying Chinese combat drones. In Iraq alone, authorities reported over 260 air raids against ISIL targets using Chinese drones, claiming a success rate of nearly 100%. The military implications of Chinese drone technology have become increasingly significant. Chinese drones have demonstrated their effectiveness in various conflict zones. In Yemen, Saudi-led coalition forces have utilized these drones extensively. In Myanmar, the military has conducted hundreds of air operations using Chinese drones, while in Ethiopia, a combination of Chinese, Iranian, and Turkish drones helped Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed's forces maintain control. Shenzhen's role as an innovation hub continues to expand through government support. The city's low-altitude economy initiative provides companies with testing permissions and policy support, accelerating drone development across multiple applications. This ecosystem has enabled rapid advancement in areas from food delivery to autonomous passenger transport. Mark Greven, CEO of IMD China, highlights the economic potential. The Year of the Dragon was expected to be a roaring year for the Chinese economy, with growth projections of 5% in sectors like real estate and exports. The drone industry stands at the forefront of this expansion. The technological response from other nations has been notable. Taiwan's newly elected president, Lai Ching-te, announced plans to establish Taiwan as the Asian center for the democratic drone supply chain. However, matching Shenzhen's manufacturing ecosystem remains a significant challenge. The integration of artificial intelligence and autonomous systems continues to advance. Modern Chinese drones incorporate sophisticated obstacle avoidance, real-time monitoring, and advanced data processing capabilities. These technologies enable applications ranging from precise agricultural spraying to urban planning and emergency response operations. In the commercial sector, Chinese drones have revolutionized multiple industries. They're used for infrastructure inspection, agricultural monitoring, and delivery services. DJI drones support professional cinematography formats, while industrial models assist in precision agriculture and construction site monitoring. The technological evolution shows no signs of slowing. Chinese companies continue investing in research and development, pushing boundaries in battery life, payload capacity, and autonomous navigation. The integration of these technologies into smart city infrastructure represents the next frontier in drone applications. Fu Qianxiao, a Chinese military aviation expert, told the Global Times that drones will be among the first weapons deployed in any potential conflict, highlighting their strategic importance. Western analysts agree that drone swarm technology could play a crucial role in future military scenarios. The environmental impact of drone technology has been positive. Traditional fireworks displays are being replaced by drone light shows, reducing air pollution and noise. These shows, like the record-breaking Shenzhen display, demonstrate how entertainment can be both spectacular and environmentally conscious. From a manufacturing perspective, Shenzhen's supply chain superiority remains unchallenged. The city's vast network of specialized factories creates unmatched efficiency in drone production. This advantage extends beyond just assembly to include research, development, and innovation. The global market response continues to evolve. While some nations express security concerns, others embrace Chinese drone technology for its cost-effectiveness and capabilities. The price advantage of Chinese drones, combined with their technological sophistication, makes them particularly attractive to developing nations. In urban air mobility, EHang's developments suggest a future where autonomous aerial vehicles could revolutionize urban transport. Their passenger-carrying drones represent a significant step toward flying taxis becoming a reality. The industrial applications continue to expand. JOUAV's VTOL drones demonstrate the versatility of Chinese drone technology, serving industries from infrastructure inspection to environmental monitoring. Their ISO certification ensures high manufacturing standards while maintaining competitive pricing. Looking at market data, China's dominance in the commercial drone sector appears set to continue. The combination of manufacturing efficiency, technological innovation, and competitive pricing creates a compelling advantage that competitors struggle to match. The industry's future appears increasingly centered in China. The country's vast manufacturing base, combined with strong government support and rapid technological advancement, suggests continued leadership in drone technology. As applications expand from entertainment to industrial and military uses, Chinese drone technology continues to shape the future of aerial systems globally.